From tomorrow, those unvaccinated against COVID-19 can no longer eat at hawker centres and coffee shops or enter shopping malls. The move, according to the Health Ministry, is to protect individuals who haven't had their jabs and to reduce the pressure on the healthcare system. And earlier today, Ministers Lawrence Wong and Ong Ye Kung, co-chairs of the COVID-19 task force, teamed up to answer some of the most pressing questions about the measures, as well as the need for booster shots. Here they are in a video shared on social media.
Don't have to worry, we will provide flexibility for those who need to go to the shopping mall for medical treatment at the GP or at the dentist. Kids under 12 are already exempted from the vaccine differentiated measures today, so that continues. On top of that, there may be caregivers who are unvaccinated who need to bring the children for these childcare services in the shopping mall. Again, we will provide flexibility for such cases.
It doesn't mean that 6 months after your vaccination or second dose, suddenly switch off, no protection. It wanes slowly over time. So what we observe is that as it wanes, around 6 to 9 months, you can take your third shot.
You've got your booster already, right?
You got already.
I just became eligible, so I'm going to get mine soon.
Yeah, I got mine on Thursday.
Well, ahead of tomorrow's new dine-in rules, Sustainability and the Environment Minister Grace Fu explains that this move is pragmatic in hawker centres and coffee shops, given that these places were frequently visited by a large proportion of positive cases. It's also challenging, she said, for operators to implement a single entry point in such porous venues.
From 13 October onwards, the VDS at hawker centres and coffee shops will be implemented in a very pragmatic way. We have more than 100 hawker centres and more than 1,000 coffee shops. And each one of them has different layouts with very different operational requirements. And we understand from the operators that it's very challenging to implement a single access point or to have a mandatory compulsory checking access points. So we have decided to take a pragmatic approach in implementing the VDS from now onwards. So at our hawker centres and coffee shops, we require operators to remind their patrons as they walk in that if they are not vaccinated, that they shouldn't dine in. We will have posters, and we will also use our public announcement systems where applicable to constantly remind diners that if they are not vaccinated, they should not be dining in.